Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to edit my macro. So first of all, I come here to developer and here go to macros, and here I have my macro. So I select my macro, I go to edit. So here we have two things, which is sub, the first sub and the end sub. So everything we add, it should be between these two. And you can see here we have the name of the font, we have the size. So you can see here the first one is the name of the macro, and here it's Ctrl+Shift+W. So, and here I want to add the date. For example, I add date in column D4, and here I want to add it after the weekly expense. I just press enter. I write here range, bracket. After that, now I select the name of the range, which is D4, quotation, close the bracket, and here I just add value here equal to, I want to add input box, quotation, and here in my input box in prompt it should be please add the date, quotation mark, comma. So what is the name? The name should be weekly date, close. So now I just come here to this, save here, and just close this. So now I want to run my macro. You can see the changes, Ctrl+Shift+W. So you can see I have here the weekly expense, after that weekly date, please add the date. For example, I add the 10th of October 21, and okay. You can see here when I just double click here, 10th of October 2021. So I have added this date to my macro. So now here you can see it's not wide enough, and also I want to add the commission here. So what should I do? Do I have to write all of these things again? But here is another way. I can record another macro and combine this. So I want to run again this macro, Ctrl+Shift+W, and here I write the date, 10th of October 21. Okay, so I have now this one. So now I just come here to store recording macro, and I come here, name it as helper. I don't use any shortcut key for this one, so in this book, yes, okay. So now the first one I just come here and double click here, so it's wide enough, and the other one I just add commission, it should be also wide enough. I use formula like 5%, I give commission 5%, equal sign, multiply the total by 5%, and enter. I drag this down and drag it to the right. So I have added this. Now I just stop recording, and now I come back to macros. Here I select this one and I come to edit. So it's the first module, and I open the second module. You can see here. So now I just come here and select this, Ctrl C, and I come to my macro. It doesn't matter where, it should be between two cells. It can be at the end, it can be before that. So I just select here, enter, Ctrl V. So I just paste it and save it, and now I just minimize it. So now I run my macro again, Ctrl Shift W, and here I should add the date, 10th of October 21. Okay, you can see I have now the exact thing that I wanted. And here I can just now delete the helper. I just come here to macro, select the helper and delete. Yes. So that's it about editing and deleting the macro. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.